Hello everyone, this is Dr. MK Kaushik. I am Center Head of ACIC CBIT Research and Entrepreneurship Foundation. We ACIC CBIT Foundation are conducting Ideathon in the month of December on 6th and 7th. The last date to participate in this Ideathon is 4th December. This Ideathon is very special. Why? Because this Ideathon is going to happen in 3 phases. In the first phase, we are going to call for your ideas, we listen to them, and if that idea has market potential, we are going to take such ideas into second phase. In second phase, what we are going to do is, we are going to fund your idea up till 7,000 rupees so that you people can develop a prototype which can be again pitched. So if the project, let's suppose if the project cost is around 10,000, up till 7,000 we are going to fund for that particular idea. Once the prototype is ready, again you are going to pitch to the panel, and in that panel also, if you get selected, you will enter into the third phase. In that third phase, what we are going to do is, we are going to full fund your product. Why? Because we want to support your idea to get into market and do some traction. So this is what we are going to plan in this particular Ideathon. So I am just repeating again, it happens in 3 phases. First phase is ideation, second phase is partially funded to see that the prototype is ready, and third phase is we are going to fund fully so that that product comes into the market. This funding is again decided by the panel members. The final decision will be in the hands of the panel or committee members. It is based on the novelty, market readiness, and other merits of that particular idea. Now, what are other benefits? We are also going to support in filing your IPR. It can be product or process patent. We are going to help you in copyright also. So this is one thing which we wanted to help you people in protecting your idea while entering into the market. So these are the advantages for you people if you participate in Ideathon 2021. Coming to team details, we are going to expect at least 2 to 5 members in your team so that a team building can happen, and in a team you can build a good product. Let's suppose if you are alone, yes, you are also allowed to participate if you are single innovator in your team. Other than this, we are going to incubate you people into our incubation center. In our incubation center, you are going to get support in mentoring, office space, as I already mentioned, seed funding, and protecting your patent. And we have Makerspace Lab also. You will get access to our Makerspace Lab so that you can build your product market ready. So this is what, guys, I want all of you to participate in our Ideathon, which is happening in 3 phases. We will definitely look for you people to participate in this Ideathon and make it successful, and at the same time we want you people to flourish and generate jobs for the country. Thank you very much. Thank you.